there, Sherman here. Today I'll be representing my Tork Craft brand. Tork Craft presents a 26-piece combination wrench set in a first-class Tork Craft professional quality. The set is made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel and is available in sizes from 6 to 32 millimeters. The wrenches are neatly arranged in a Tetron-style hard case to make a first-class impression. This high-quality combination wrench set is the optimal tool set for everyone and also available in offset. On the left you have the mini jumbo pack, and on the right we will have the jumbo pack. Thank you.
With that being said, please check out the cool website www.vermontsales.co.za for much more. Catch us on these socials, Instagram and Facebook. Thanks.